I would like to show you how to configure in ShakeSpeare multiple signers without the right order. So, the trick is that we add metadata called signer, let's say into 3, 4, 5 instances for let's say 4 different people to sign this document, and later on with 2 different transitions. By clicking on sign transition, we are actually deleting this metadata. For each of the signer who has to sign, plugin transition auto delete current user is automatically deleting the signer on the metadata list on the process. Of course, at the same time, we are also adding a signature, which is of course automatically added by plugin transition autofill current user. And the important part is that this transition is valid only when metadata occurrence is more than 1. So minimum is 2. This means more than 1. So when there are more than 1 metadata of type signer, this transition, which I'm showing you right now, is enabled. But when there is only 1 signer left, because it was automatically deleted from the transition, this transition is enabled. How to do that? You go to the BPM rights for this transition, and you see min-max metadata occurrence is set to maximum 1. So when the metadata signer is present maximum 1 time, this transition is not enabled, but this transition is enabled, and user automatically pushes from to signing to the signed state. And he doesn't know actually that those were 2 different actions, 2 different transitions. Of course, on the same methodology, you can implement also ordering, so that it wouldn't be signing without order, but with order. So you would basically say, okay, first of all, director of this and this department must sign, and then, I don't know, the director of supply department must sign, and at the end, the 3 directors of our corporation must sign this particular process. To do that, you need different metadata. Here we are using just signer, but then you would use signer level 1, signer level 2, signer level 3, and for each and every level, you would configure plugins and metadata configuration.